Ethereum to 10k. Is it possible? Let's talk about it. Firstly, nothing I say in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor and you should seek professional advice before making investments. This video is for entertainment purposes only. What's Ethereum? I'm sure if you clicked on this video you all already know. But Ethereum is a layer 1 blockchain that does roughly 12 transactions per second. The blockchain is the biggest layer 1 in the cryptocurrency space, currently sitting at a $188 billion market cap, with an all-time high of $500 billion. The blockchain is so big as it was one of the first blockchains to introduce smart contracts which allowed companies to build on top of Ethereum. Ethereum is a proof-of-stake concept chain, meaning the chain is secured by people staking the Ethereum token. When you stake your Ethereum, you earn a yield on it. The creator of Ethereum is Vitalik Buterin. He is one of the richest people in crypto with a net worth near $1 billion. He created the Ethereum chain in 2013 but only published it in 2015. He regularly donates chunks of his wealth to charity and once donated $1 billion towards pandemic relief. Now, the issues with Ethereum. You may remember from the first slide, I said it does 12 transactions a second. That's not good. Due to these transactions per second being so low, the transaction fees sometimes, in a bull market, get stupidly high. I know for one, I've once paid multiple hundreds of dollars for one transaction in the past. Over its history though, there's been plenty of upgrades to Ethereum to combat these issues. One key upgrade though that helped was the invention of Ethereum Layer 2s. Ethereum Layer 2s bundle up transactions into one transaction so it can push it through all in one go, instead of doing transaction by transaction by transaction. This massively helps the speed on-chain. Due to it helping the speeds, it also helps with transaction fees as well, due to less traffic on-chain. Key Ethereum Layer 2s are Arbitrum and Optimism, but there's also other ones. In July 2024, the Ethereum Spot ETF launched, which now allowed pension funds, TradFi companies, nations, wealth managers and hedge funds to buy and hold Ethereum, which they previously couldn't do. The Ethereum ETF followed the Bitcoin ETF and still to this day is one of the biggest events in crypto history. Massive hedge funds such as BlackRock, Fidelity and Grayscale and many more have their very own Ethereum ETFs. Currently, in all Ethereum spot ETFs is around 6.9 million ETH. Now in March 2026, the Ethereum Staked ETF launched, which now allowed the same as the spot Ethereum ETF, but the underlying assets were staked, meaning it was essentially a dividend stock. Grayscale and BlackRock have the biggest staked Ethereum ETFs, with a combined 1 million Ethereum in them. Collectively, between both ETF types, I believe they will continue to further stack Ethereum, which will contribute to the circulating supply being reduced, which is incredibly bullish for price in the long term. Now, this is something many of you may not know. There is a group of companies called the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. This is a non-profit organisation committed to driving the adoption of Ethereum blockchain technology. It was founded in 2017 and consists of Fortune 500 companies, academies, startups and many more. Some key members who are massive are Microsoft, JP Morgan and Circle. There's plenty more as well. With these massive companies involved, I believe it shows real commitment from Wall Street towards the Ethereum blockchain. Now currently Ethereum's all-time high market cap was $500 billion US, and that is what I will use when predicting future price. And it will be essential in figuring out if Ethereum can get to $10,000. Now the math between a $10,000 Ethereum. If we use Ethereum's current circulating token supply of 120 million tokens, the market cap of Ethereum would have to get to roughly $1.2 trillion. Now, that is a lot, but with the massive institutional inflows into the ETFs and the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance backing the growth of the network, I believe that in maybe 5 to 10 years, Ethereum could hit the market cap and secure that $10,000 price target, even though the product is far from the best in the market. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video on whether Ethereum can hit $10,000. As you can see, I truly believe it will, and I think it will go a lot higher. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And until next time, I'll see you later.